Let's be honest, if you've been struggling trying to change your DRLs or any of the lights for more than half an hour, you need to step back, try something different. There's two options that you can do. One is that you can remove the whole bumper and the grille, or the grille can be separated with some work. In order to remove the grille, you need to take that bolt out, that one, and it's held in by clips down here, so it'll be kind of a hard pull. And then to remove the headlights, two right there, one there, one down there. And then once you get the grille off, there's one in there. Because as you can tell, there is no room in there, if you got some big mitts like me, to remove them. So now with those four removed, you can see we're just attached on the bottom here, which I'm gonna have to try to pull out. And that's what you're dealing with. Slides in. So the other one is this one. So you see it's loose, and this is why you have to remove the grille, is to get that one. So this is where the internet has failed, and you cannot remove the headlights without detaching the bumper, because the headlight slides underneath the bumper and there's no room to get them out. I've been trying with pry bars and it's impossible.
So I got the headlight bezel out. I'm going to show you how I did that right away, but you don't need to pull the bumper, but you do need to remove enough screws to pull the bumper out a little bit to pull the headlight out.
So once you got the grille off, you got one right there, right there, right there, right there, here. That'll take care of the headlight assembly. Then come to the fender well, turn your tire in, one right there, 2, 3, 4, and one you can't see points up. Then underneath the car, you want to do this one, and then there's a third one right there, one right there, one right here, one in the corner, and that'll give you access to pull the bumper out enough that you can take care of it there. And then the headlight will slide out enough. So this electrical plug is broken too, but you stick a screwdriver in there and you lift up on this top piece so that could come out. But now you can have access. That's the one we need to grab in there. But either way, if you have to change the signal bulb, you're pulling the headlight assembly anyways. Slide this out. Yeah, now with my hand in there, I can get that out. This is the one that's burnt out. Oh well, go figure. This is the new one.
Now, I know this seems like a lot of work, but it really isn't, because if you've already been fighting around trying to get your lights in for the past half hour to an hour, you've already wasted enough time that you could have pulled all that out and got it done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below, and I hope this video helped you out. I'll see you guys in the next one.